Irresponsible once again. I'm Mark Stewart. This is the Daily Fire for August 27th. No, I'm not irresponsible. It's the General Assembly, which 100 days ago was requested by Governor Malloy to reassemble, have a special session to deal with legalized sports betting. Supreme Court cleared the way in early May, and we, unlike other states, haven't done anything legislatively to speed the way to allow it. Allow good, legalized, wholesome fun for those who want it. Doesn't hurt anybody. And states have traditionally regulated. Now, I'm not sure that we really need regulation. So if the General Assembly just wants to butt out, fine. Usually they don't. So let's say I am governor in January. I will make a little request. Would you like to be involved, General Assembly, in sports wagering for the profit and the fun and the freedom of our Connecticut residents? Could be good for tourism too. I'm not banking on it. It's really just an internal thing. See what they say. But in the absence of their doing anything, here's my way. We just go forward, okay? I have an agency. My agency, which will be in 1 or 2 offices, it'll be very small. It just wants any sports wagering operation to have a mechanism to keep people from wagering too much. You do that, and the rest of our laws take care of themselves. We have laws against fraud. We have laws that protect the right of contract. And each wager really is a contract that says this bookmaker is going to pay if you win and is allowed to keep your money if you lose. Okay? Enforceable by law. It doesn't need state regulation. The free market does the best kind of regulation. Get it? That's what the free market does. Unscrupulous bookmakers that are still legal might not get many customers if over and over and over they're not paying off the way customers expect. If they're actually ripping people off, then those people go to jail and their customers get reimbursed. Now, there's a related phenomenon that our General Assembly punted on as well. Okay? They did not convene themselves. It shouldn't take Governor Malloy. They did not convene to deal with casino expansion. Okay? It's been on the agenda for 3 years. Still don't want to get it done, neither Republicans nor Democrats. Once again, I don't really care as long as the General Assembly doesn't get in the way of municipalities that would like to have more entertainment via the casino route. It's enjoyable for families who want good food, good shows. It's enjoyable for gamers. It can be enjoyable if you want to put a sports book into that casino. Vegas is a family place right now. There's the casino portion, and it's thrilling for some. It's a heartbreak for others, but it never has to crush you. You don't bet more than you bring. Okay? I'm not a fan of credit card over and over to dig in deeper. So that is a type of regulation I'd like to see casinos adopt voluntarily. So habits that don't hurt other people are really not the business of the state. Maybe it's the business of municipalities. So let's let them decide. We have 2 casinos now in New London County. I'd like to see casinos in all 8 counties. Let's go round the clock. We could do Wyndham. Okay? Wyndham itself could use some help. They got a lot of drugs. We could have Pomfret. We could have Putnam. We could have Plainfield, the P's. Move to Tolland, and we could have Vernon, and we could have Willington. Move to Hartford. We could have 4 good towns at least. How about Enfield, East Windsor, East Hartford, Wethersfield, and Hartford itself? Windsor Locks, not bad. Put a casino right at Bradley Airport. Get a lot of tourist people. Move over, we're at Litchfield. How about Washington and Winchester? Go down to Fairfield. We could have Stamford and Stratford. Go over to Middlesex, Cromwell, Clinton, New Haven County. That would be Waterbury. Maybe you add, West Haven. These 20 or so towns are not a burden to the state. They might be very beneficial. Let the towns decide. That would be my way, the very free choice method. You're getting it, aren't you? Anyway, General Assembly, if you want to regulate, get busy in early January, because I'm going forward to free Connecticut's people who'd like to have different entertainment, to expand Connecticut's tourist industry. If you're going to get in the way, well, we're going to look really stupid. Springfield has just opened MGM Casino, okay? It's going to siphon people away. It's already open to big fanfare. They employ people from Connecticut as waiters and dealers and coordinators. We could have that here, again, 20-fold. I'm Mark Stewart. Thank you for being in my corner. I'm happy to be in yours.